Have you ever dreamed of watching your money double, growing steadily without the wild swings of the stock market? That dream could be closer than you think with self-storage real estate investing. This unique asset class is gaining popularity, drawing in investors who are tired of low returns and seeking a stable path to financial freedom. Self-storage investing might seem simple at first glance. People need a place to store their belongings, and you provide the space. However, there's more to it than meets the eye. Understanding the ins and outs of this market, from selecting the right location to navigating different investment methods, is crucial for success. That's what this essay is all about, giving you the knowledge to assess whether self-storage is the right investment for you. We'll explore the benefits that attract investors, the challenges you need to be aware of, and the strategies that can lead to impressive returns. So, if you're ready to dive in and uncover the potential of self-storage real estate, let's get started. For years, traditional investments like stocks and bonds have been the go-to choices for many. But lately, the volatility of the stock market has left investors feeling frustrated and uncertain. The constant ups and downs, the fear of market crashes, and the low returns on safer investments have made people search for alternatives. Investors, especially those approaching retirement, are craving stability and steady income. They want to see their money grow without the anxiety of checking their portfolios every day. This is where self-storage real estate comes in, offering a refreshing change of pace in the investment landscape. Unlike the stock market, which can be influenced by global events and investor sentiment, self-storage is grounded in a basic human need, the need for space. People will always have belongings they need to store, whether they're downsizing, moving, or simply need extra room for their possessions. This consistent demand, combined with the potential for high returns and tax advantages, makes self-storage an increasingly attractive option for those seeking a more reliable and predictable investment. Why is self-storage real estate experiencing such a surge in popularity? The answer lies in its unique combination of benefits that are hard to find elsewhere in the real estate market. First and foremost, self-storage facilities are relatively inexpensive to operate. Unlike apartment buildings or office spaces, they require minimal maintenance and have low overhead costs. You don't have to worry about complex plumbing, expensive renovations, or frequent tenant turnover. Secondly, the demand for self-storage is consistently high and continues to grow. People from all walks of life need storage solutions, from college students storing furniture over the summer to businesses needing space for inventory. This built-in demand translates into steady rental income and high occupancy rates for self-storage owners. Finally, self-storage is known for its resilience, even during economic downturns. When times get tough, people may downsize their homes or move to smaller spaces, leading to an even greater need for storage. This makes self-storage a relatively recession-proof investment, providing peace of mind in uncertain times. These factors, combined with the potential for long-term appreciation and attractive tax benefits, make self-storage a compelling investment opportunity for both seasoned and novice investors alike. While the benefits of self-storage investing are clear, it's not a guaranteed path to riches. Like any real estate investment, success hinges on two crucial factors: location and management. Just like with any other property, the location of your self-storage facility will significantly impact its profitability. A facility situated in a densely populated area with limited competition is more likely to thrive than one in a remote location with several competitors nearby. Look for areas experiencing population growth, high traffic, and a good mix of residential and commercial properties. Proximity to universities, military bases, or areas with a transient population can also be advantageous. Effective management is equally important. While self-storage facilities are relatively low maintenance, running a successful operation requires attention to detail. This includes providing excellent customer service, maintaining a clean and secure facility, and implementing effective marketing strategies to attract and retain tenants. Consider whether you're prepared to handle the day-to-day management yourself, or if hiring a professional property management company is a better fit for your needs. Making informed decisions about location and management will set the foundation for a profitable and rewarding self-storage investment. REITs, dipping your toes into self-storage. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore the various ways you can invest in self-storage. Each method comes with its own set of advantages and risks, catering to different investment styles and levels of experience. If you're looking for a hands-off approach with lower capital requirements, investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs, that specialize in self-storage can be an attractive option. REITs are companies that own, operate, and finance income-generating real estate, including self-storage facilities. When you invest in a REIT, you're essentially buying shares of a company that manages a portfolio of self-storage properties. This allows you to gain exposure to the self-storage market without the responsibilities of direct ownership. REITs are known for their dividend payments, making them appealing to investors seeking passive income. However, it's important to remember that REIT prices can fluctuate like stocks, and their performance is tied to the overall real estate market. Direct ownership, hands-on and high reward. For investors seeking more control and potentially higher returns, direct ownership of a self-storage facility is an alternative route. This method involves purchasing or building a facility and managing all aspects of the business, from marketing and leasing to maintenance and customer service. Direct ownership offers the greatest potential for profit, as you directly benefit from the appreciation of the property and the income it generates. However, it also requires a significant capital investment, a deep understanding of the local market, and the willingness to handle the day-to-day responsibilities of running a business. If you have experience in real estate management or are passionate about building a business from the ground up, direct ownership can be a rewarding venture. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, develop a solid business plan, and secure adequate financing before taking the plunge. Syndication strength in numbers. Real estate syndication offers a middle ground between the passive nature of REITs and the hands-on approach of direct ownership. In a syndication, a group of investors pool their resources to purchase and manage a self-storage facility. This method allows investors to access larger deals and potentially higher returns than they could achieve individually. It also spreads the risk and workload among multiple parties. Typically, a syndication is led by an experienced sponsor who handles the acquisition, financing, and management of the property. Investors contribute capital and share in the profits, while the sponsor earns fees for their expertise and effort. Syndication can be an excellent option for investors who want to participate in larger self-storage projects but prefer a more passive role. However, it's essential to carefully vet the track record and experience of the sponsor before investing. Riding the wave of self-storage trends. The self-storage industry is constantly evolving, influenced by economic conditions, demographic shifts, and technological advancements. Staying informed about current market trends and anticipating future developments is crucial for making sound investment decisions. One notable trend is the increasing demand for climate-controlled units, particularly in regions with extreme temperatures. These units offer protection for sensitive belongings such as electronics, artwork, and antiques, commanding higher rental rates than traditional units. Another trend is the growing popularity of portable storage, where companies deliver a storage container to the customer's location, pick it up when it's full, and store it in a secure facility. This service offers convenience and flexibility, appealing to a wider range of customers. Technology is also transforming the self-storage industry, with online rentals, automated payments, and remote access control becoming increasingly common. Embracing these technological advancements can improve operational efficiency, enhance customer experience, and ultimately boost profitability. Conclusion: unlocking the potential of self-storage. As we've explored throughout this essay, self-storage real estate investing offers a unique combination of benefits that can lead to impressive returns for those who approach it strategically. From its low overhead costs and recession-resistant nature to its consistently high demand and potential for long-term appreciation, self-storage presents a compelling opportunity for investors of all levels. Whether you choose to dip your toes in with REITs, take the reins with direct ownership, or join forces through syndication, the key to success lies in thorough research, careful planning, and a long-term perspective. By understanding the nuances of the market, selecting the right location, and implementing effective management strategies, you can unlock the potential of self-storage and watch your investment portfolio grow steadily over time. So, if you're ready to explore a stable, recession-resistant and potentially lucrative investment opportunity, self-storage real estate deserves a closer look. With the right approach, you can ride the wave of this growing industry and secure your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.